Sorry. Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I'm coming on for Craft Fair Friday. And I do have some cute little paper clips that I'm showing for today that are so easy to make. That is, if you can find this trim. I had bought this trim at Hobby Lobby many years ago. It was $4.99 for this, and it's a Merchant 41 brand decorative trim. I can't find it in Hobby Lobby anymore, but I did find it on Amazon. So this is something that you can look for on Amazon, and I will, look for, I would call it, what was it called? Chiffon flowers on Amazon, and chiffon flower trim on Amazon. But look how pretty this is. I was very fortunate to get this so many years ago, and this is all I have. So anyway, all I did was I took my circle hole punch and I glued two of these on each side and back to back, each side of the paper clip. So let me show you. I'm not going to make one on camera because it's so easy. Let me get a paper clip real quick. I don't have the reason is I only have a paper clip one. So all I did was glue these back to back on each side, okay, like that. Just glued them on there, and then the flower, I cut the flower off of here. I just cut, around the lace. I did leave some of the netting on it, but not a lot, and I just glued one on each side, and that made the paper clip. These are so cute, and I love them. And I did buy these paper clips a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. I did notice they have them still in the stores, and they have them in different colors. I didn't buy any because I had these already, but I think these would be a great thing for a craft fair, for a larger journal, or even, a notebook or anything that you need to use a paper clip in it, in a journal of any type. Or and I probably just said that. Bear with me, I'm tired, guys. We're having construction at our house, and it's hard for me to get the videos done because there's so much noise going on. So I have to do it either early in the morning or late at night. And so that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I think these are super cute. What would you charge for them? How would you package them? I think I would just put them in a small pretzel bag with a topper, and of course cut the pretzel bag down to size so it's not so big, and then put a topper on it, and call it a day. And this would be a quick, easy thing for people to pick up from your craft show, and display them real cute and be easy for you to make, easy for people to buy. So what would you charge for them, and how would you package them? All right, you guys, thank you and have a great day. I know this is a short video. Don't forget to watch yesterday's video about the 200 subscriber giveaway, and also I did another video, a flip through of the Echo Park paper, and I did that. So anyway, you guys, I'm sorry this is so short and sweet, but I think you could, there's all kinds of paper clips you can make, and I'm sure you've seen them before, but this is a cute one and super, super easy and fun to make. Take care, and guys, have a great weekend. Talk to you on Wednesday or sooner. Or actually, I will talk to you on Sunday, because we will have the drawing a little after 4. All comments are closed off after 4 for that video, and then for the giveaway. And you guys, there's some great prizes. You really want to go look at that 200 subscriber giveaway from Thursday. Okay? You guys take care and have a great day. Bye.